Start.
Can you tell me how much stars in the sky? There are unlimited stars in the sky.
Okay, next.
When do you go to school and what did you do?
Nowadays my holiday is going on. That's why I'm not going to school.
Okay, very
So I
good.
don't know the time.
What are you looking for?
Repeat your question.
What are you looking for in the
I'm not looking anywhere.
I'm not looking for.
I'm not looking for anywhere.
Okay. Subham.
What makes you unique?
The way of my speaking make me unique.
Makes me. Makes me unique. Okay, next.
Whom do you love and whom do you?
Repeat your question loudly.
Whom do you love?
It's not home. Whom?
Whom do you?
Yes, answer.
I love my mom and dad. I hate you.
Okay. Sadaf.
What is more important to you, money or work?
Repeat your question.
Have you taken breakfast?
I will help them by giving money and I will help them by giving food.
Okay, very good. He's asking you, okay,
Feed off.
what are you afraid of?
I'm feed off my failure.
Okay, very good.
At what time do you study?
Um, I study at the 7 o'clock to
Okay, give the answer.
I fill up the water before coming to coaching
And
my finish work before
I finished.
I finish my work before come to coaching.
Okay. Yes.
At what time should we study?
Well,
Well, I should study early in the morning and we में क्वेश्चन किया था आपने ओके we should study early in the morning.
okay, that's all. Thank you. Yes.
Which is your favorite hobby?
Speak loudly.
Which is your favorite hobby?
I like to play cricket and I like to take some photos and photography is my passion.
Okay.
That's all.
Please tell me about yourself.
I am Shubham Karma and I am software engineer. I have completed my BTech from Shriram Institute of Technology. I have completed my 10th from MP board. My hobbies are I like to play cricket, I like to photography and that's all.
Photography में टू नहीं लगाना. I like photography.
I like photography.
Okay.
Raza is saying that you have a Bugatti car, is it right?
No. Radha bhai is saying wrong. I don't have any bike, car. He is telling a lie.
हाँ. उसको ऐसे बोल सकते हो. Yes, रजा.
Should
Put
we
up your
take
question.
practice at what time is that?
We should take practice at morning 8 o'clock and
No,
if you
not
have-
at morning. In the morning.
in the morning and that's all.
Okay. Now next question.
How much coke can you drink?
How much?
Coca-Cola Coke बोलते हैं.
हाँ.
How much coke can you drink?
Actually, I don't like Coke. That's why I don't eat. I don't drink.
But I saw you drink Coca-Cola.
No.
Because
Okay, next.
What is the difference between smart work and hard work?
I
उसी चीज़ को अब मना करो कि सर आई कांट एक्सप्लेन जैसे.
so Salah bhai, sorry I can't explain, but I will explain after some time.
Okay. Now next question, Swati.
what are your weaknesses?
Okay, what are your weakness?
Weaknesses na?
हाँ, okay.
I don't have any weaknesses. Sir, याद क्यों भूल गया?
Please tell me something about your profession.
I am
Tell him
I am a
something.
student. I am an engineer and I want to get a job. So,
I want to get a job. Instead इसकी बजाय बोलो
Both are very important.
What?
If you want to earn money, you have to work hard. That's why both are very important.
Very good.
Since when you are learning English?
Are you?
Are you learning
Repeat your question.
Since when are you learning English?
Well, I'm learning English for 5 months.
Okay.
Whom should you help?
Repeat.
Whom should you help?
Whom should you help?
We should help the poor and anyone help from me, I will help them.
Okay.
Do you like to study?
Yeah, I like to study.
Repeat.
Yeah, I like to study.
Okay. Which subject do you like most?
I like English
You like English. Why?
because I like to learn English, and
Okay.
this language is very beautiful, and I like to learn it. It's like
It's beautiful, yeah, or useful.
useful.
Okay. Thank you.